Hello friends, welcome to Infigyan. Today in this video we are going to take up another very interesting question from reciprocal equations and expressions. We have x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 equal to 110 and it is said to find x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10. At first glance it looks very tough problem, which is not true if you will follow certain steps. Now I want you to pause the video right now and try this problem by yourself first. Let us assume required expression is E. Now we will consider x square plus 1 over x square equal to y. Now I am going to cube both sides. So I will write x square plus 1 over x square whole cube equal to y cube. Now we will use a plus b whole cube identity in LHS and we can write x square whole cube x power 6 plus 1 over x square whole cube 1 over x power 6 plus 3 times x square times 1 over x square will be 3 times x square plus 1 over x square equal to y cube. Now x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 is 110. So here we can write 110 plus 3 times x square plus 1 over x square is our substitution y. So we will write here 110 plus 3y in LHS and RHS is y cube. Or we can write our cubic equation y cube minus 3y minus 110 equal to 0. Now we will solve this cubic equation for the value of y, and y is x square plus 1 over x square. Let's solve this cubic first. Y cube minus 3y minus 110, which we can write minus 125 plus 15 equal to 0. Now we will write equation y cube minus 125 minus 3y plus 15 equal to 0. Or we can write y cube minus 125 is 5 cube. Then from the last two terms I can take minus 3 common. So in the bracket I can write y minus 5. RHS is 0. Now we will be using a cube minus b cube formula, which will be equal to y minus 5. Here I will write y square plus 5y plus 5 square, which is 25. Then we'll write minus 3 times y minus 5 equal to 0. Y minus 5 is overall common. So we'll write y minus 5 in first bracket. In second bracket, we'll write y square plus 5y plus 25 minus 3 equal to 0. Or we will write y minus 5 times y square plus 5y plus 22 equal to 0. Now we will use product 0 rule. So we can write either y minus 5 equal to 0 or y square plus 5y plus 22 equal to 0. Let's solve both the equations. I will begin with second equation. Y square plus 5y plus 22 equal to 0. Let us check discriminant only, delta, which is b square minus 4ac. If delta is negative, then we are going to get complex solutions. So we can reject this quadratic equation. So I will write here b square. B square is 5 square minus 4 times a is 1, c is 22, which is 25 minus 88. Value will be negative. We are getting our discriminant value negative. So complex solutions will be there. We will write here complex solutions. So we can reject our quadratic equation. Rejected. Now we will consider first equation, y minus 5 equal to 0. So from here we will get y equal to 5. Now y is our substitution, x square plus 1 over x square was y. So I will write here x square plus 1 over x square equal to 5. Let's write this is our equation number 1. Now I will add 2 to both sides. So x square plus 1 over x square plus 2. So in the RHS, we will write 5 plus 2. So RHS will be 7. Now from the 3 terms of LHS, we can write this is x plus 1 over x whole square. If we will expand x square, 1 over x whole square is 1 over x square, 2 times x times 1 over x is 2, equal to 7. Now we'll take square root both sides to get the value of x plus 1 over x will be equal to plus minus square root of 7. Now my target is to find x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5. For this, I need to consider the product of x square plus 1 over x square times x cube plus 1 over x cube. So let us consider cubing both sides. Now we will use a plus b whole cube formula here, which will produce x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times 1 over x will be 3 times x plus 1 over x. There we will write plus minus root 7, and in RHS square root 7 whole cube is 7 root 7. So we will consider plus minus sign 7 root 7. So we will subtract plus minus 3 root 7 from both the sides. So we are going to get x cube plus 1 over x cube. This will be equal to plus minus 7 square root 7 minus plus minus 3 square root 7. So we are going to get 4 square root 7 with plus minus sign in right hand side. So I will write x cube plus 1 over x cube. This will be equal to plus minus 4 square root 7. Here we will write equation number 2. Now we have to multiply equation 1 with equation 2. Let's multiply. So we'll multiply x square plus 1 over x square with x cube plus 1 over x cube in left hand side. And in RHS, we'll multiply 5 with plus minus 4 square root 7. Let's multiply x square times x cube. We will get x power 5. 1 over x square times 1 over x cube, 1 over x power 5. 1 over x square times x cube, x square times 1 over x cube plus 1 over x equal to plus minus 5 times 4 is 20 square root 7. Now in place of x plus 1 over x, we can write plus minus square root 7. So I will subtract plus minus square root 7 from both the sides. So we will get x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 will be equal to plus minus 20 square root 7 minus plus minus square root 7. So I can write here x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5. This will be equal to plus minus 19 square root 7. We have to find x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10. Will be squaring here. So we can write x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 equal to plus minus 19 square root 7. Now we will consider squaring both sides. So let me put here whole square, whole square. Now we will use a plus b whole square formula in left hand side, which will generate x power 5 whole square, x power 10, 1 over x power 5 whole square, 1 over x power 10, plus 2 times x power 5 times 1 over x power 5, which is 2, equal to square of plus and minus will be plus. Now here I can write 19 square, root 7 square is 7. X power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 is our required expression E. So we will write E plus 2 equal to 19 square is 361 times 7, which is 2527. Now we will subtract 2 from both the sides to get our final answer. E will be equal to 2527 minus 2. So we will write our answer. E will be equal to 2525. So this is our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.